Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial on how to add a like button to chat in WhatsApp web. Follow these simple steps to enhance your messaging experience. Step 1. Open Chrome and type in the search bar web plus for WhatsApp. Step 2. Click on the Google Chrome link that appears. Step 3. Download the extension and wait for it to install. Step 4. Now, open WhatsApp web. Step 5. Look for the extension icon in the toolbar and click on it. Step 6. Once the extension opens, go to the Enhancement tab. Step 7. In the customization section, check the box next to Enable Like button. And there you have it. You've successfully added a like button to your WhatsApp web chat. Now, you can easily express your appreciation or agreement with just a click of a button. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp web tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.